This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Congratulations on migrating your Joomla site from Joomla 3 to Joomla 4. You've pushed your Joomla 4 test migration to live. Everything is good. And now you're at the last step, which is removing the test migration area and tables and also removing MigrateMe 4 as an extension. So here is how to do all of that. In the back end of your live site, not your MM4 site, which still exists, but in the back end of your live site, go to Components, MigrateMe 4, and then click here to remove the migration area. That will remove the MM4 folder. It will also remove the tables that have the MM4 prefix that were made as a duplicate of your live site. It will remove those two things. Now, I'm not going to click this here because I want to show you how to manually remove those if for some reason you need to. Now, if you've already removed MigrateMe 4 as an extension, uninstalled it from your site, you can reinstall it and this button will still show up and you can click and remove those. Also, there's one other file folder that you need to manually remove regardless of whether you use this button or do it manually, and that is the backups folder. So let me show you where those all are now, just so you know how to do those manually. If you go into the file manager for your web hosting account, go into the root of your Joomla folder, the root folder of your Joomla install, and you'll see there's the MM4 folder. You can right click and you would just delete that. But up here, whoops, I sorted it by name. Anyways, up here you will see there's a backups folder. Now this is the folder that was created when, if you use backup, when pushing your Joomla 4 test migration to live. You can delete that. You'll see inside are all of the backups that were made. Although just be careful, because if you have customized a Kiva backup or another backup tool to back up to a folder called backups in the root folder, your other backups will be in there. So you might not want to delete it. But if you haven't done that exact scenario, it is safe to remove the backups folder. Now, so removing the backups folder, everybody has to do that manually. MM4 automatically through the button in the extension, or if you do it manually here. And then in the database for your Joomla site, remember in the example that we've been looking at, here JOSTR is the prefix of the live site. That's all been swapped. That is the live site, always has been. But here are the MM4 tables, MM4 underscore, which the button will remove. But if you have to do it manually, very carefully, go to the top of the list and search for tables that have MM4 underscore in them. You will see them all here. Just be very careful that this filtering only selects what is MM4 underscore and not something else, some strange table or something else that's in your install. Anyways, if everything is good, then you can click all of these. I'll click the top. I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to click those, or I guess I could have gone check all down here. And then and this is in phpMyAdmin, you can go and drop. Now, I'm not going to do that because I want to show you the button working. Also, in some installations of my phpAdmin, there might be a couple of pages of tables. So even by filtering MM4 here, if you have a large Joomla site, you should run the filter again, MM4 underscore, and you might actually have to page through up here or through some tool that will appear up here to go through different page views or listings of all the tables, and you'll find it. Anyway, so the last step. All right, so we're going to click here. We'll remove the migration area. I'll remove those that backup folder later on. And now you just want to uninstall MigrateMe 4, which you do by going to System, Manage Extensions, Filter for Migrate. I've already done it. There's MigrateMe 4. Uninstall. And MigrateMe 4 has been uninstalled. The crowd goes wild because you have migrated your Joomla 3 site to Joomla 4 or another Joomla 3 site to Joomla 4. Thanks for letting us be a part of it. Subscribe for more videos. Till the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.